So we had the Jordan 3s and now we have the Jordan 1s. And I'm referring to that of the green glow colorway. And these are releasing tomorrow on April 20th. But how do you all feel about them? Let's get into it. Hey, yo, what's going on, everybody? This is Lewis of the Way It Kicks channel back again. And finally, I'm bringing you another unboxing. It feels like it has been forever since I've been able to do this. And a lot of that has to do with some personal things that have been going on in my life. But it looks like that has finally started to give way. And we should be getting a bunch of unboxings here on the channel once again. But I want to say this. With these dropping there tomorrow, I mean, I probably would hold off as far as paying the full $180 retail because they will be going on sale. But is this a must cop or not? We're definitely going to get into that. But before we get into any more, please smash that like button for me. And if you are new to my channel, thanks for tapping in. Make sure you hit that subscriber button and click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop one of these videos. And don't forget, tonight, it is Friday once again. We'll be going live for Sneaker Chat at 9 p.m. Eastern, guys. Make sure you tap into the live with myself, Jay Elevate, Purple Haze, and Mr. Think I'm Possible, bringing you the latest and greatest in sneaker news and all things news, guys. But in any case, let's go ahead and throw these here on the table and check them out. All right, so here we go. We got the box here on the table for the overhead view. And once again, they have matched the color blocking of the box to the color blocking of the sneakers. I really think that that's a great change that Jordan Brand has given us. But in any case, all black box with the green glow for the Nike and the swoosh. Opening up the lid here, we do have a stamp, but nothing else on the bottom. Pretty standard as far as the lids are concerned. Now, I do have the sneakers already set up here for you to view because no one really cares about the tissue paper, but the tissue paper itself is just all white, as you can see down there. Now, the right shoe here, I do have the green glow laces in because you do get a set of green glow laces that come here in the lace box, which I feel like we should have gotten green glow laces with the 3s, but they didn't give us extra laces with the 3s. They just gave us the black laces. Now, speaking of black laces, they are pre-laced here in the sneakers themselves, and I left it in the left shoe so you can see what they look like with black laces and also with the green glow. And I will tell you at the end what I think looks better. But overall here, we do have green glow here in the heel area and the collar. Black here at the very top of the collar. The swoosh is in black. On the lateral and medial side, you do have white leather paneling. Up here in the mudguard area, it's black. We also have in the toe green glow, and you can see it's actually pretty tumbled. If I get it close there for you to go ahead and take a look at. The midsole is white. The outsole is the green glow color, which I think looks really dope. The tongue itself is black, and at the top of the tongue tag, it's white. And you do have Nike Air there written in the green glow color. On the inside of the sock liner, it's all black in there, and the insole foot pad is black as well. But you do have Nike Air written down there in the green glow colors. Now let me go ahead and take a look at the right shoe. And here, like I said, I put the green glow laces in the right one so you can have that visual right away. And you'll see the same thing when I go ahead and throw these on feet. But what do you guys think is actually better looking, the black or the green glow? Once again, I'll give you my opinion here at the end, but let me go ahead and throw these on feet and we'll close out the video. All right, so here we go. Final question. What laces are you going with? The black or the green glows? Me personally, it's got to be the green glow laces. They really set this shoe off 100% better than the black laces do. But I want to know what your opinion is. If you're different than mine, it's all right. We're all here. We're all able to have different opinions, and I'm going to respect it either way. In any case, this is Lewis of the Way Your Kicks, Shine reminding you to be true, stay in a moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks.